Hi, my name is Akiva Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan. And today we're going to continue our video series designed to educate and inform the public, so please subscribe to our channel. Today I want to talk about the father's rights, not as it relates to marriage, but as it relates to a non-marital union. So the scenario is two people are together, they have a child, they're not married, have a child nonetheless, and then the relationship breaks up. What rights did the fathers have? Well, we know when there's a marriage, there's a presumption that the parties have an opportunity to equally share in the custodial rights of the child. At least you start out with the proposition that's basically equal. Then the parties sort of advocate for their position. One may go up, one may go down, but at least you start out pretty equal. In a non-marital union, the presumption is that the mother has the custodial rights, which means the father's got to go to court and get his rights. Having said that, the courts are very liberal in granting rights to the father, particularly when the father shows an active interest in participating in the life of the child. Lord knows we have enough deadbeat dads and that whole scenario of people who don't want to be involved with their kids. When someone comes before the court and says, "Judge, I want to be a parent. This is my child too. I've always been involved. I want to continue to be involved," the court is very receptive to that. The first thing you got to do, though, is prove that you're the father. So if you're on the birth certificate, that helps tremendously. However, if you're not, the first thing we have to do is a DP case. We have to have a petition to determine the paternity. But once you're ruled into paternity with the appropriate DNA testing, at that point in time, there's certain rights that are going to flow. You'll have the opportunity to get some parenting time, to get some custody rights with your child. It could be an equal situation. It could be that it won't be equal, but at least you'll have certain times. Maybe the child will spend more time during the academic year with one parent, but during the times off, spend most of that time with the other parent. So a week has 7 days. Somebody's going to get 3, someone's going to get 4, and then it may flip the next week. And the academic time during the year is really not as valuable as the other time because kid's in school the whole day, and then the kid comes home, eats, does homework, goes to sleep. There's not a lot of quality time there as compared to a lot of vacation time where real bonding can take place. So one can argue that the vacation time is perhaps more valuable than the other time. On the other hand, the other time is more consistency. So there are different ways of looking at it, but a father in a non-marital relationship certainly has the right to pursue these opportunities, and the court is there to preserve those rights. Now, if you have any questions about your case, reach out, and we'll be glad to help you out.